Hi guys, it's Ella. Welcome to Pickleball Orville, and I just want to show you how to scan in to get here whenever you pay for your hour to play. So, if you are a member at Zephyr's Fitness or CrossFit Orville, you will most likely have one of these fobs. You can fob in right here, and that will give you access. The second option is going to our Gym Master app right here. It'll be the blue one, so I'm going to open it. It'll take you to a page like this after you sign in, and then you would go to check in. So you click that, and that will Bluetooth up to this scanner. It takes just a few moments, so just be patient with it, but as long as you're in the vicinity, it will connect to it and then open the door. So if we wait a little bit, yep, it says connecting and then successful. It'll get you in the door. If you wait too long, it might not work, so just try to be there to open the door right away. The next option, if the Bluetooth isn't working or you don't have a fob, you can use the QR code right here. Like some of you at Zephyr's already use this, it's going to be the same thing. You go to their Gym Master app and you click scan right next to check-in. You're going to scan it right there, and that will let you in.